In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text beside image in Card. Start by heading to card.co and opening your dashboard. Click into the project you want to edit to launch the builder. Once you're in, look for the Add button and choose Container. In the settings panel that appears, change the container type to columns using the dropdown. This turns the container into side-by-side sections, which is exactly what we need. For a simple layout, 2 columns are perfect. If your template shows only one, use the Add control in this panel to create a second. When the columns look right, click Done to place the container onto your canvas. Next, let's add the image. Click Add again and choose Image. Hit Upload, pick the file from your device, and use the crop window to frame the subject clearly. A square or 4:3 crop often pairs nicely with text, but choose what suits your design. Click Accept to confirm. You'll see the image element appear on the canvas. Drag it directly into the new container and drop it into the left column. Watch for the highlight so you know it's landing inside the column, not above or below it. Now add your text. Click Add, select Text, and type your headline and supporting copy. Aim for concise, scannable text so it visually balances the height of the image. When you're ready, drag the text block into the right column so it sits side by side with the image. Click Done to confirm your changes. A few quick refinements will make this look polished. With the container selected, adjust the column widths to control space between image and text. A 40-60 split is a good starting point for readability. Increase the gap or add padding so the 2 columns have breathing room. Select the image to fine-tune size, alignment, and whether it crops or fits. Large optimized images will look sharp without slowing your page. Select the text to tweak font, line height, and spacing so it feels balanced next to the image. If an element doesn't land where you expect, use the element list to drag it into the correct column. Before publishing, preview at different screen sizes. On phones, columns usually stack vertically. That's normal and helps readability. Adjust responsive settings in the container so the order and spacing make sense on smaller screens. And that's it. You've placed text neatly beside an image in Card by creating a columns container, adding an image and a text block, and arranging them side by side with a few simple tweaks.